Hi, it's Tom from Texas with Joel Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu. Time is a concept that we embrace in order to gain full understanding of our standing in any given day, and how we use that time determines our fate and our level of success. But we have just 24 hours. I mean, all of us who live on Earth, the most successful people in the world, still only have the same length of time per day as any of us. How do they accomplish so much? Have you ever truly pushed yourself to use your full potential to accomplish as much as possible in a day? Marcus Aurelius said, "Tomorrow is nothing, today is too late, the good lived yesterday." I personally believe that good old Marcus is telling us that we must live for the now. Our biggest act of faith is the belief that we will be breathing in the next second. 1, 2, yep, still here. So what are you doing with your time? I can tell you this much: if you're watching videos from this Kung Fu school, you are using it wisely. But that is just a start. At Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu, the expression of Kung Fu is with action. To know something means nothing if there is no action behind it. Students are given reading assignments, study successful people, and open their minds to possibilities and then they act on them. White Tiger is known as a scholar's art for this purpose and approaching life and its possibilities as a scholar show one thing for sure, that is, make the most of your time and act. Abu Bakr said, "Without knowledge, action is useless, and knowledge without action is futile." Find what you are passionate about, study on it, and begin acting on it. Don't waste your time watching television programming. Spend your time reading and learning. Remember, the scholarly way is to learn, then act. Abu Bakr didn't say anything about spending an hour on social media. If you have questions about this, please comment below. If you like what I had to say, please punch that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.